Hi, well, I'm gonna talk about my computer. I'm going to explain the components of my computer. Well, the main purpose of my computer is to play video games. The first thing that I need to buy is the computer case. Um, well, the brand is the model that I choose because um, I choose this computer case because it costs $59.99. It is around $60. The second thing that I need to buy, that I'm going to buy, is the power supply, the Corsair. The Corsair has a maximum power of 800W, and because it costs $90, well, around $99. The third thing that I have to buy, that I'm going to buy, is the CPU. And in my opinion, the most important thing in a computer, it is this is the processor. So I need something that maybe I choose the quality of this component, and I chose AMD because it has an operating system and a frequency of 4.0 gigahertz, 4.0 gigahertz, and the color that I need, well, that I choose is red. Well, I really like the red color. It's my favorite color. That's why. And it is $175. So it's one of the cheaper one, or the cheapest one in the market. Now I need to buy a motherboard. This is very important company. This is a very important component in the computer because it is one of as the word says, the mother. It is like the brain of the computer. I chose an ASRock with the model Z170 Extreme 6 because it has maximum memory supported of 64 gigabytes. It cost around $180. Then I'm going to buy the memory for my computer. I chose a hyper memory because it has the capacity that I will need uh, to a PC that I need to video games. So if I need a computer, if I need a video games computer, so I need a memory that it's going to be it has to have a big memory. So the capacity of the memory is 8 gigabyte. In this component, I consider the price a little bit expensive, but I'm going to need enough capacity to save my games and to save my works. For that reason, I need this memory. It is about uh, 54 $54. After these components, if I want a video games computer, I would need a very high level of graphics. So I will buy a graphic card. I want a very high quality on my games. So I need enough memory size, and therefore I chose an Asus graphic card because it has memory size 2 gigabyte. And finally, I need a mouse, a keyboard, and speakers. And I chose a gaming mouse because it's very easy to use it in the game. In a game, the brand of the mouse is Corsair, and it costs around $14-15. Then I choose a Cooler Master keyboard because the gaming and the game it's going to be little bit high level graphics. So, and it costs as the mouse around $15-20, and the last brand of the speaker is Logitech, and it costs me around $20-25. Well, I think that I'm going to spend less than $700. So in my opinion, it is a cheap computer, but in some cases it doesn't matter if we spend a lot of money on a computer, because in some occasions um, if we need a high quality computer, it is better to spend a lot of money, because sometimes the cheaper ones are not as good as the computers have high prices. So this is my computer, my PC, my gaming computer. So I hope it is going to work.